Hey guys, today we're building the Super Circuit in Snap Circuits Explorer. So I'm gonna give a shout out to my cousin Gadi because he gave me this super cool circuit set. I did the Super Circuit in the morning. It's actually kind of hard, kind of easy. And I'm here with my newly unboxed that I just released unboxing. So if you haven't watched that yet, watch it after this video or maybe before this video since he's right here. But you can do whatever you want. So let's just get building the circuit. But I don't know how to build this. I don't know how to open the box. Oh wait, here. Voila. Okay. So then, wait, is that the? That's organizing that, but look, guys, just so you know, if you have this set, follow along, and it says, look, they have similar, the photo to resistor RP in your set has been changed to a photo transistor Q4. They have similar performance, but Q4 is directional, having a plus side, while RP is not. So let's just get it, cause I'm teaching you guys how to build this. Okay, so Super Circuit here. It's project 3. So get to the 10th page, and let's get to the circuit. Okay, so A3. So let's get these. 3. Okay, 3. We have a 3 right here. And then put it on no, it's A1, but like the piece is a 3, look. Look like this. And guys, don't put this on the other side. I'm just showing you like this, because then that would be A10. Okay, so then what's next? What should we do next? Let's do the 2 and E. Okay, so there's a E2 there. And then we have a C5, this piece, C5. But then we put it, but don't put it in C5. I'm just saying the piece says C5. Okay, and the plus is supposed to be this way, okay. And it's supposed to be in C, it's on C1. Like this. Oh. Your circuit should be looking like this for now. Okay, thank you, Daddy. And remember, if you need help from an adult, don't be embarrassed, because I need help from him sometimes. From my dad, which is the cameraman. So let's see. I don't know what to do. How about let's do the R2D2. R2D2. Okay, and then the L1. Wait, what's L1? Oh, L1 is probably this. Yeah, L1 lamp. Wait. Oh yeah, wait, I get it. L1 stands for lamp 1. And C5 stands for I have no idea. Okay, this is actually gonna take a little long because I'm not that good at building circuits. But let's just next piece. I'm confused. So F. Now let's get a 6. Put it in 2F, F2. 6 right here on F2. and it's supposed to end at F7. So it's F2 all the way to F7. So if it's not like that, check it because it's probably wrong. Then the Q2 goes here. Oh, I forgot to show you. It should be like this for now. Well, actually, does the site matter? Or does it not matter? Okay, so let's do a 3 now. A 3 that goes right on top of the R2. And then we put an R1. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. I'm confused. So, wait, what? Huh? What the? I'm confused. Wait, Daddy, what? Oh. Wait, so that's supposed to go under? But then that doesn't make sense. Because that doesn't reach. So that's not supposed to go. Yeah, I'm not getting this. Oh. So then get it 2. Oh, the plus sign. So then get a 2 and put it right between these two. I still don't get this, but whatever. Okay, now you need to do, what's that? What does it say? Motor. Where's the motor? Oh. So then we need to do here no, not F5. B5. And it should end at D5. It starts at B5 and ends at D5. A, B, C, D. Okay, so. So what is that? S2? S2 right here. This just looks so uncomfortable. Is that correct? Okay. This is how it should be looking so far. But guys, remember, it's only if you have the same set. If you have a different set, don't try to do this. I mean, like, you could try. Nah, whatever. But what is that? Wait, does the 2 go under? Oh yeah, the 2 goes under. Thank you. I do not like this. This is so uncomfortable. I don't like this. Okay. Okay. Huh? After that 2 down, there's a 5. So let's get the 5. 5. But then this goes under the 2. I mean, yeah, it goes under the 2. Uh-oh. It goes under U2. And guys, remember, if you don't get something, ask an adult. D7. D7 a 3? Wait. Oh. Batteries? Batteries. Hey guys, and also, you have to put the batteries in this. It's like this, right? Is it like this or like this? Like this? Oh. Okay. 10F. 10. Wait, does it start at 10? No, it ends at F. It starts at D. So it's D, E, and F. Oh, wait. Music, and that's at D, E. So now get the music, which is U1, and put it at D and E, 7, 6, 7, and 8, 6, 7. Wait, where is it? D and E? D and E? Is that D and D? I mean D and E. I don't mean D and D from Dungeons and Dragons. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, now on number 2. Wait, no. I don't mean like the number 2 that you have to go to the back. I mean number 2. This number 2. Boom, shakalaka boom. Chiclete, wait. Wait, green one is S1. F1. Or S1. This is the SP. The SP boombox. Boombox. This goes here. Oh no, that's RP. Did I put RP? Where's RP? Where's RP? Oh, here's RP. I don't like this. Okay, so boom,
Sebas.
last.
Turn around. A little bit.
No, that's correct. Oh, because of the arrows. So this is how it should be looking. Okay. If you can't take a piece off, just tell an adult to. Physically, you just have to tell an adult for anything. If you need a PS5, just tell an adult. Wait, this is like this, right? That's a 4. Did that say we're finished? No, wait. No, we not. We need this and this. So you need to put the U2 on top of the U1. Now watch YouTube. And then we can put the fan. Guys, you ready to turn this on? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This might be very loud. Guys, look what happens when I lift my finger off the button. Alright. Let's do that again. Still, it's doing something. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Let's turn this off. Yay. Okay guys, so this is how to build the super circuit in, wait, what's it called? Snap Circuits Explorer. And don't forget to like and subscribe, or else. Well, see you in the next video. Just gonna be 2 stop motions.